In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change WordPress password from Hostinger. So what we're going to have to do here is to click on Manage, and then from here, we're going to have to click on File. So click on File, and then here we have File Manager. Click on that, please. And now click, please, on Access All Files of Business Web Hosting. Thus, this will direct us to this dashboard, and then here I can click on domains. I'll select this domains, public, and then here from here we're gonna have to select, and now you're gonna have to look for WordPress config, this one right over here, and right click and select edit, please. And from here we're gonna see DB name, right? So just look for it. You pretty much gonna find it here. You're gonna find some database settings here, some information, database username, but we want this data DB name, and we're gonna copy this. Very simple. And once we copy this, we're gonna have to go back to databases, right? And then here we can click on manage. And then here, actually, let's click on PHP My Admin. And then here we're gonna have to enter this database. I'm gonna enter my database. Make sure you enter yours. And then here we're gonna see users. Okay, so let's click on users. And then here we're gonna have to click on edit. Okay, we're gonna see the user login, the user pass. So I'm gonna click on edit here. And now from here, what we're gonna have to do is just to actually enter this new password. Just make sure from here you select M if you enter on your keyboard M, D5, and then you just need to go, and that's pretty much it.